In the age of AI, what's really going to work in online business now and into the future? After a lot of thought, there's only one answer, and that's building a tribe that knows, likes, and trusts you that you fully control. So after months of coding, a next generation site building app is coming that, thanks to new AI, does the hard lead generation, product selling, and community building for you. It's called AItribes, and it auto creates community sites with built-in selling systems that help future-proof your business and grow automatically thanks to number one, AI that creates fresh content and posts it 24/7 to engage and get community members. Let AI create niche editable forum posts en masse and post them for you around the clock on autopilot. This gets members engaging in the community 24/7 and attracts new members to begin with. Number two, gamification referral technology that gets current members to refer others passively. Let community members earn points, badges, and see themselves on leaderboards for doing things like commenting or referring other members to your community. Give members a special viral referral link they can send to others that earn them rewards and goodies when other members sign up. And number three, built-in course and product auto-selling technology. Create free or paid HD video courses members can buy or access right on your all-in-one site. Let AI create the content if you're not an expert and customize lessons and resources. Plus, sell additional products right on the site with payment integration members see 24/7. Plus, it comes with rich community engagement technology that lets conversations happen fast with videos, images, links, emojis, and more. The ability to pre-populate communities with members and content to kickstart engagement. The ability to host events and blogs to build an excited tribe. AItribes even comes with agency technology so you can sell these new self-growing AI websites to small businesses that are sick of trying to get cold ads and expensive funnels to work, and tons more. Look, with email inboxing rates significantly down, social media super saturated, SEO still painfully slow, and ads and funnels too expensive, the businesses that are creating online communities and building a tribe of followers are getting the easy leads and sales today. Potential customers only want to do business with brands they know, like, and trust, and brands building engaging online communities are getting leads and sales with zero ad spend. Now, the problem is that building a self-selling community is time-consuming and ultra-expensive still. Multiple discussion group tools and moderators are required. Facebook groups are distracting and get shut down. Kajabi, School, and course builders are expensive now. You need additional gamification apps to refer new members. So that's why we developed AItribes, to let everyone make next-generation sites that, thanks to new AI, do the hard lead generation, product selling, and community building for you. So there's a ton packed into AItribes, so check out the full demo below. Plus, we have big prizes available in multiple contests for multiple winners. 7-figure copywriter on board, a bit congruent funnel, and more to make this one of your best promotions of the year. And we're going to be reciprocating back even harder for our partners who are able to promote this launch. So go ahead now and check out the partners page for all the material, examples, and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on board for a huge launch soon.